right, so just a quick explanation about today's assignment. You are going to be developing a seamless pattern that is appropriate for your product. Now, ideally, you may use the pattern that you develop in your final design idea, but you're not necessarily required to use it. But you may find, maybe even on the bottom or the top or within your text, that there is some place that it is appropriate, even if it has items layered on top of it. So today you are going to be creating that seamless pattern that is applicable to your product. I would recommend that you maybe go back and review the instructional video from 429, which is creating a pattern in Photopea. So this may be beneficial for you. But some quick notes, we did start our size off at 300 by 300 pixels. And we wanted to make sure that our first element was centered. And then we duplicated that layer and we used a filter and an offset of 150 pixels. And then we did need to define new, and we defined that new pattern. And then we were able to create a new document, and that document was larger in size. And as long as there was something on our background, we could then, you know what, I'm not sure that I ever actually made my bubble a pattern. I talked about it. Make this a pattern. And we applied a pattern overlay so I could apply my bubble. So it's only coming in this half because that's the only half there's actually fill. The border is covering the rest of it, so there's my pattern. Okay, so for today's assignment, you need to create a pattern as well as fill a document with that pattern and then take a screenshot. And I was going to try to show you the screenshot that I would like to see. I would like to be able to see this and this. So go ahead and take 2 screenshots here and here so I can see that you made your pattern and that you were able to apply your pattern. If you have questions, please make sure you reach out. Have a good one.